So out of that, we find that
bakansara nibagira ngo bakahinguza sente nyamwinji okora ibintu bitarimo na bimwe na munonge bikwatine by'amagara ibyobwegesa okinga no kuriza bitine cyakozerwe abobori bwengozi
katugambe ubuherezo bw'abantu government eri kutamu sente kugira ngo bombekera abantu katugamba abantu bafuna ubuherezo konka twinekiza gushanga umwe ba contractors aba bantu abariko bapatine mirimo hatushanga umwe abamwe ni bajombe kaje nango ale bakabwindi bakombe kaje kizimbecho konkaro buku zo marwarira gande ningashumu ko mashomero oshanga ba contractors mazima bari kole mirimo wale bo murimo gubakozire ne sente zibapatiye no murimo gwe ureba ngo harimo buri bwenguzi
abakubaye cyabikwatine by'amagara nibajango bakahinguza sente zeri kwingana million 20 okugura icyoma cya scan kirwaro lyakambuga bit echit kikabayuga.
The X-ray was not prepared, a new one was not bought. We are talking about land issues not running Kampala. Let us request the RDC, the office of the RDC, intervene.
Kubavuriza omuhandichi w'akachiko ka social service okunagira ngo ekikaretwa orwenguzi oburi omukitongoreki aba procurement bakachereza omurimo gukuronda abo abaragure kyomeki.
Ningenda kumaliza RDC convention wa president. You can see the level of corruption hadi ya office. The corruption ya nature sasa, Mr. Speaker sasa. Kuba mazile ababire amutoro n'ababire bari sente za contractor bamwe batakuto bitwego abandi bitwego finally bagira position ka committee ou arajya no.
I think we should officially launch a complaint made this signed by the speaker that the district council is satisfied in these areas. We point out A, B, C, D, and then ask the RDC to intervene, at least with a little document and terms of reference.
Avolsho kushasha kuhango cyako mutindo mubi oguryo mashomero nibura ryabashomesa kubayikire ombyo kinga no kurisa abakake barwani abo bamwe okutungente umuringo gutari kwetegerezwa bakazima bamwe omanyakanungo umuringo gwa kiremesa.
When the county that he was proposing an amendment, I think this is one of the things to be in the amended MOU. May I know whether there is any amendment in the Bible?
Omujekero w'abarema omukanso nawe ayirikira kushasha abukushanga government obwiro bwinji nebanagerera cyeko programs zayo nobe byona bigambirwe abahendire bashaziremo okinguza budget erikwingana billion 28 kandi zineze gukoremera metali yemwe nemwe district age amakuraga gashakwa Weza Wilfred.